All right, students, I'm trying something out. I'm going to post one new assignment, which is the entry task, and then I'm going to repost lesson 41. When you get your entry task, or you click on this, you're going to see that there's two different documents on here, a Google Doc and a Google Sheet. The Google Doc has your questions. We got somebody on here. Has your questions. Entry task, lesson 128. Here's the questions. You got 4 questions that you got to answer. Then the second document is a Google Sheet, which is your answer sheet or the responses. Here's number 1. Write your answer right here. Type it here. Whatever you want to type right there. Here's number 2. Whatever you're going to type right there. Your answer, obviously. And then 3 and then 4. You have to make sure that you do that so I could see your work. A lot of you are just clicking turn in and I don't think you're doing any work. So I'm going to repost lesson 41 for you. And this is the response sheet that you need to turn in. It has all the questions boxes so you could type in. There's I did 1 and 2 for you. Those are the answers for number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is y equals 15x. That's an equation. You must write an equation for every single one of these. Number 2 is y equals 12x. And there's area here for you to type your answers in every single one of these. So make sure you do that. So I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to move this back to the top so that you could see it. This right here. This is what you need to make sure you pull this up. Then you could see it. There's number 1, number 2. So you're going to be starting right here. Number 3. Number 3, your answer needs to be written right here in this box. So you look at it. Okay, you read it. Do your work on a separate sheet of paper. Then you read it again, check your work on a separate sheet of paper, go to the tab that says answer sheet, lesson 41 answer sheet, type it in there, and when you're done, I can see it on Google Classroom, Google Sheets, and then I will grade it and I will send it back to you so you can see how you did. That's how the grading is going to work here. So, no new work today. Just turn in this sheet for me. Complete the entry task as well, which is lesson 128. All right, good luck.